Nasa linya sa gawas niya. Hanap na kami ng nakahubad. Gusto? Kaya?
We're looking for the art that really gets it as real as it can be. This is for the masters of detail and depth, the real, the monumental and epic work.
Ikaw, meron ka bang background?
Actually, bumalik si Rohel just to perform for Tutunitan. And malamang kita na kayo, mga damo to the next round! Alright, so I think we're gonna have a rundown of sponsors.
Yes,
We
let's
have to
do that.
thank the people that made this possible.
All right, and this incredible day would not be possible without the
I received 3,000
Okay lang yung 100 sa inyo.
It's nice to be back. Namiss ko to. Diba? Medyo maaga lang bago na tayo ngayon para sa Sky. Pero yata magka medyo sayang na lang.
Eh, sir, yung receipt.
Yung matatanda, wala yan yan. Di pwede mapugyan yan.
1, 2, 3. Change po.
Yes! At kilala ko kasi yung makasabayan natin. Yung
Studios look for that Tututan authenticity. Kasi yung mga judges natin, yung mga trophy natin, pinag-iisipan, hindi basta-basta nagbibigay ng
And
premyo.
remember, the tattoos are for
Wala kami pera dito sa loob. Magpagpag na lang kami. Angel, we're outside because Angel is looking for trouble. Tayo trouble. Pay as you order. Yung pagpag dito, pay as you order. Kita nyo yun. Taas. Don't let you
For the awarding, let's call on our judges.
Let's call on the score of 8.4 from Team Moses.
Tapos na sa pitching. Pasok.
All right, and number 4. Let's check this out.
So we're going off to the top three, ladies and gentlemen. This is
Inspired category. The second lifetime statue. Entry number 4. Ruth Clarity with a score of 9.
here we go, ladies and gentlemen. For the top, Raymond Simon.
Sa hapdo, kasi wala isang wala. Wala ka naman
aircon lang ito yung makikita.
Kaya hindi ko na...
Buti ba, Chom, i-resume mo to?
Oo.
Aba, doon to.
Hindi ko na siya tinapos para i-pre-made ko na lang siya. Tapos
Okay. So, anong dahilan ba tuloy to?
Ilan, hindi na siya matatapos. Isa-bisa
Hindi siya aabot, parang gano'n.